internet changes and evolves constantly, and so do the demands and priority of users. Nowadays, with the search engine algorithm changes, the increase in amount of paid traffic, with 80% of accesses coming from mobile devices, and the reduction of users' attention time, a perfect website should be fast, perfect on any computer screen, perfect on any phone, and it must contain digital marketing key features such as email capture, scheduling, checkout, and obviously have a good appealing design. And with that in mind, Builderall developed the Cheetah website builder. As the name Cheetah suggests, it is the fastest builder around. Your website developed with Cheetah Builder will load in a fraction of a second, and you will never lose money or visitors again due to loading time. In addition, the experience of building a perfect website with Cheetah is fantastic. Cheetah Builder is the only real drag and drop builder that gives you complete creation freedom. Simply choose one of multiple features, drag it, drop it, and edit. With the Cheetah Builder, you can edit 100% of all the features, and you can even edit your images, creating amazing design. Another exclusive feature of the Cheetah Builder is the possibility to create global custom elements. You can create an entire panel and save it as a custom element to use on other websites. And that applies to all elements of the Cheetah Builder: boxes, buttons, text, and etc. Within the Cheetah Builder, you will find incredible resources such as our video gallery that allows you to create a website with videos or training areas that look as modern as market-leading streaming tools. With the Cheetah Builder, you also have professional email marketing resources, integrated checkouts with more than 15 payment portals, iframes for external scripts, big menu, drip menu, blog, and much more. In the configuration area of your website, you have everything you need to make your website perfect in terms of SEO, search engine optimization, as well as resources to install scripts, pixels, create pop-ups, connect domains, subdomains, create members areas, and a lot more. And if you still don't feel confident of creating your own design, don't worry. The Cheetah Builder offers you more than 1,000 professional templates for you to bring your business online with the highest quality and obtain the best results. If performance, efficiency, and beauty are important to you, then Cheetah Builder is your website builder.